Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video we are going to look into a KPI object. What is a KPI object? KPI object actually helps you to identify the key KPIs or key values or key measurable values in your dataset. So this is how we do it in Qlik. So what I have shown is current year figures and last year figures, and this is this much and this is this much. So looking at this, I can understand that 67.83 is less than 84. So I have done a little less business to this year. So I have to scale and I have to find the products which are not performing good. So to make this, I'm going to open charts. I'll just type KPI. I will drag the KPI object and just start adding the measures. Let's say I have already added a measure here, which is a master measure, and because all the formatting and color is already given into master measure, it will automatically take from there. KPI object accepts one more KPI, only two measures at one point of time. So I'm going to add a custom measure, let's say sum of expression 3, and I have the values over there. Let's see what is the presentation. So I will go into appearance. Over to here I can just tick that I want to show the title of, let's say I just don't want to show the title of KPI 2, and I can align it on the left, right and center. I have a layout behavior, this was not present, so I can say responsive behavior, and font size I can adjust the font size. Okay, you also have an option to link to the sheet. Just select the sheet you want to go to, and if you want to open it into a new tab or the same tab. If I am going to just say that I want to open into the same tab, I will click on done. Now you have this particular icon. I can just double click and I will be there. Okay, another option is into the color option over here, which is I can just add conditional color. I will close the library color. Now it is gone to the blue color, the static color over here. Now I can add the limit. Let's say if the value is going below 1370, then I want this value to be red, else I want it to be, let's say, green. Okay, and when, let's say, I filter the data, the color will change. So in this way you can create your custom KPIs and you can showcase into your dashboards.